Hello students, I am Professor Swapnil Vegad from Mechanical Engineering Department, Silver Oak University. I welcome you all in the session of AutoCAD drawings. You can see on the screen that this is the window of AutoCAD software. By this AutoCAD software you can draw 2D drawings. We will see today how to draw and 2D drawings, what you have learned in engineering graphics. For drawing a line, for drawing a simple line, you have to type a line command over here. Let's see. You can see this. The line is typed over here. You can see the line. Or you can take a shortcut of line by clicking this. Okay, let's say I am clicking the line. By clicking you can see it asks me that specify your first point. At my cursor it asks me specify your first point. Okay, so it is asking the coordinates of my point where my line starts. It is asking my coordinates of my first point. So let's say I am entering coordinate 30. This is my x coordinate, and 50. Okay, now you can see the one point is fixed. By around that I can draw a line. Okay, these coordinates are given to a in a reference of a origin. You can see at the bottom left corner there is a origin. Okay, this is my point which has I want to draw a line passing through this point. Let's say I am drawing a line here. So there are two things for drawing a line. First is length of a line, and the other one is angle of a line. So let's say I am entering the length of a line is 50. Okay, I have entered the length. Okay, I have entered 50. Now I want to switch to a angle. So my angle is, let's say, 90 degree. So I have drawn a line which has angle 50 degree, which has length of 50 mm and angle of 90 degree. Now let's say I want to draw another line which has angle of 0 degree, which has angle of 0 degree and length of 30 mm. So I will enter length 30 and angle 0. So my two lines are drawn. Now I will take this as a reference point. You can see end point is highlighted. End point is highlighted, and if I slide, you can see there is a line, dotted line coming over there. So this line shows that it's a in length of the end point, in reference line of that end point. Okay, so here again I want to draw a line at 50 mm at 90 degree angle. So I have drawn another line and I will connect it with my end point. You can see end point is now highlighted, and I will click here. So my rectangle will be completed. This is how you can draw a rectangle. You can also draw a rectangle by this. Okay, you have to define two end points. Let's say my first point is here and second endpoint is somewhere here. So I can draw a directly rectangle by this command. Now let us move to a second command, that is polyline. So you can see in polyline you can draw many lines in a single tick, and by polyline you can draw a arc as well. So let me show you. I will start a ortho mode. This ortho mode is restriction, that I will draw a only line which is horizontal or a vertical. It won't let it draw at a inclined line. Okay, let's start a ortho mode and I will draw a polyline. So you can see I will only and only draw vertical or horizontal. I can't draw an inclined line. So let us take distance of 15 mm. Now another line is drawn in a single take. Okay, let's say 20 mm. So you can see here I have drawn two lines. One is vertical, one is horizontal. I want to draw an arc over here. So I will click, right click, and I have an option of arc. Still we are in a polyline command. So you can see I have to specify the diameter for a arc. So let's say my diameter is 20 mm. Okay, now my first arc is drawn. It is asking for a second arc, but I want to draw a line again. So I will right click it, and again I have an option of line, so I can complete my drawing like this. For exit to command, for exiting the command you have to press escape. So this is my simple drawing. Now let us move to a circle. I have selected a circle. I want to draw a circle over here. So as I move to this arc, it will show a center. Let's take that center and draw a circle. So it is asking for a radius. Let's take, my radius is 6 mm. So it has drawn a circle. Now you all know, when you are drawing a circle or a circular object, you are supposed to draw a center line for that. So drawing a center line, you are supposed to draw a line which is passing through its center. So I am selecting this. Okay, I have drawn a line which is passing through the center of a circle, but you can see this is not a center line, this is a continuous thick line. So I have to select that and go to this bilayer. Now this shows different types of line, but here is not option of center line. So what I have to do, I have to go to other. In other, you have to load the center line. You can see here it's my center line. Okay, I will select it. In further drawing, we want to draw a hidden line as well, so let's load it there. Load hidden. Okay, okay, so we have continuous and hidden line as well. Click OK, and now you can see hidden line as well as center line over there. So we have drawn a center line. You can see if I zoom it, you can see this is a center line. Let's zoom out. For clear identification of line, if this is a center line or not, you have to click again, go to center, other, and change the scale for that. Let's take the scale is 2. Okay, so now it's little bit visible. Again I am selecting and moving to other, and scale taken is, let's say, 4. So now it's clearly visible that it's a center line. Again I want to draw a center line. I will make it, here is my center. I will move it to a vertical line like this, and this is my another center line. Okay, now let's say there is a hole in between this rectangle is a solid and we are drawing a front view, so hole is not visible from a front side because it's a cylindrical hole. So we want to draw a hidden line over there for a hole. So if hole is cylindrical, I want to draw a center line first, then I will draw a hidden line. So for drawing a center line, let's take midpoint of that. Now how to find a midpoint? It's not showing me a midpoint, so you have to go over here. You can see snap cursor to 2D reference point. It's showing that midpoint is highlighted. Okay, now if I move to this line, and if I slide over here, you can see this triangle shows me a midpoint. Okay, now I will draw a line. So here it's my center line. So I want to draw a hidden line over that. I will select hidden, take that distance. Okay, I will take this distance as, let's say, 5 mm right side because the whole diameter is 10 mm, and I will take a vertical line. So this is my first line. Again I want to draw a hidden line on a right side as well. I will go to a 5 mm distance and will draw a hidden line like this. So this is my drawing of orthographic. You can draw it on your own. Thank you.